as the sun hits the top, it's a lot lighter, and then you come down to the darker greens, and that's what we're going to do right now is blend this all in. We're just going to add some dark green in here. I'll show you what we'll do. Just here and there. So what I've done is I've taken the lighter green and the darker green, and what I did is brought them all together. Then what I do is I take a squirt bottle, only takes a little bit, don't overdo it, and take a dry, clean chip brush that you can buy at your home improvement store. It's called a crosshatch, and where those two colors come together, it's a crosshatch. Just remember a big X. Okay, and you see, we almost get that airbrush look and feel.
Next, Bruce has some tips about paintbrushes.
There's a couple of brushes that you can use. You can use the foam brush right here. Ooh, foam. Okay, and what you want to do is you want to use the knife edge of this. So you have your flat and you have your knife edge on a brush. Flat, knife edge. So you can take it on the knife edge and pull and drag it like this, and then fill in. If you don't have a sponge brush, these are called chip brushes that you get at your home improvement store. Again, that's your flat edge, knife edge.